Hello there folks, we're just doing an update to the DIY video that we did the other day. We had a torrential rain last night. I've done some initial repairs ahead of doing the full repair, but if you remember last time, all the water that was coming down from here, no more. That was what, just dripping down like a faucet. And as you can see now, no more water. So again, I can't do any of these repairs until I get that water problem solved. Now all we have, the reason why there's a little bit of water here is solely coming from, you can see the drip, if I can zoom in, you can see the drip there. There's a couple drip spots that I didn't do the seams on the back half because it wasn't really leaking as much. So I'll take you upstairs and show you what I did. So here we are folks. I know it doesn't look pretty, but as you can see, as I said in my other video, the deck isn't quite level, so the water you can see is actually pooling here. So, but what I want to do is put a stop to the water going downstairs until I have a chance to properly fix this. So what I did was I used that Gorilla Glue, or that Gorilla sealer, and put a seam on the bottom portion here and there against the house all the way along. So now all I've got to do is close up these seams back here the same way I did here. This tape can come off with that. So we'll need to pull the tape off, let that properly dry, and at least that will give us a couple months till we're ready to do the full repair, which will be to adjust the slope up here so that the water flows there instead of collecting here. Any ideas, I'd appreciate in the comments below. What I'm thinking of doing is just putting another layer of plywood over top when it's dry and make sure that it's angled with a level so that it's sloping that way, and then properly sealing it, putting a coating. Signing off. Repairs, at least the water is stopping or getting under control. Signing off.